Hello, good morning, everyone. Very warm welcome to Baby Code 3 IELTS tip sessions. I'm Tanu Vimani, an IDP certified trainer and a TEFL Intersolve certified trainer. So, as you know, that we are covering our tip session. So, today's tip is about listening modules. How can you ace listening module with these following tips, right? So, let's discuss that quickly. Now, whenever you are attempting the IELTS exam for the first time, the question that comes to your mind is that whether you can get a band score 7 or not, right? Whether you will be able to score more than 7 or not. So it is like quite a possibility. If you are practicing on a daily basis and you being quite stringent with your preparation, then yes. But while you are at it, make sure you do not leave any loose ends with regards to your vocabulary or your grammar part. So, to help you out, I'm providing you some important tips that will help you grab your score for the listening test. Now, very first thing is that are you facing troubles with general listening skills? Most of the time, when comes to like when you're coming from a non-English speaking background, so a test taker not just face issues with speaking English, but listening to the English also. So considering that, listening module can have varying accents, right? They have different accents, British, Canadian, Australian, American. So things can become tougher for some people if you're not familiar with that English accents. Now, you have to sharpen your general listening skills every day. Your aim should be that to test your listening ability every single day. Simply use previous test materials. You must also listen to general audios from the TV, from the internet, or anywhere. You can also watch interesting series with or without subtitles also to improve your speaking and English skills also. Do you lag in vocabulary? IELTS has a set standard when it comes to examination. So hence you would need a high end vocabulary. Often people get nervous listening to words they are not familiar with. So ask yourself that do you lag in vocabulary? So what you have to do, you have to improve your vocabulary because audios that will be played in the listening section will be on the different concepts and the factors also. So you must improve your vocabulary to understand this section in a better way. Read a few words every single day. Use them in your conversations every day, right? Are you not reading the questions? Before listening to the audio, you get some extra time to go through the questions and understand a gist of what is going to come. Are you using this time adequately to understand questions or just waiting to listen to the audio? So, if you're not reading the questions, get ready by looking at the questions beforehand. It is necessary that you always read your questions before the audio is played because this way you will have an idea of the type of answer you should be attentive towards when going through the question. You will know which words should be used to fill the gap also. So you will be able to figure out whether it is a noun or a verb, right? Do you get distracted in between? Is it easier for you to get distracted easily? If it is, it could pose issues for you as you might end up missing important detail. Since the audio will be played only once, you will not get to find the information again if you're not paying attention. So, what do you think? Do you get distracted in between? Then, if it is yes, stay attentive throughout the audio. Make sure you're listening to the audio right from beginning to the end without being distracted. The audio will play only once. If you miss out on any questions, you may end up losing marks too. In this section, you will be multitasking, including reading, listening, writing, all simultaneously. So make sure you don't leave anything behind. Next is, do you write quickly? Are you one of those who tend to write as soon as you listen to the audio? If yes, then it can be that it may not be a correct strategy, right? You have to be a little patient as it will be decreasing your mistakes. Now, stop writing quickly and always check for mistakes. If you write quickly as you listen to the audio, the correct answer may actually be in the next sentence. So you may miss it, right? So while writing the answer, you need to keep in mind that you have listened to the complete sentence and then write the answer. After each section, you will get 30 seconds to check for mistakes. So make sure that you check for silly mistakes. There may be some spelling mistakes, grammars, or word form. You have to keep in mind that it is an English language test, and even the smallest mistakes they count, right? So do practice for all these tips and do follow all these tips. Keep practicing, keep learning for your IELTS path. Do not miss out a live session. Do attend it and be there, right, on your live session at 4 to 5 p.m. with me, where I'm covering the speaking topics. Thank you so much and stay tuned for more tips and strategies. Bye bye. Take care, all of you.